Okay, welcome back. This is just going to be me running through, sort of whizzing through a number of questions on a worksheet. So we're given the triangle. This is what we're given. Okay, this information in centimeters, and we want to find angle x. Okay, so we're just going to use our basic knowledge of trigonometry. So we've got an angle. We haven't got that. We haven't got that. So I mean, the tricky thing in this, more than anything, is just knowing what the hypotenuse, what the opposite is, and what the hypotenuse is adjacent. Right, anyway, so we know that's the opposite. That's the easy thing because it's always opposite the angle. And we've got we've got this and we've got this. So which is it? Well, how about let's try that as the adjacent and that as the hypotenuse. Very awkward to know because this one is an interesting question because both angles are 45 degrees. These lengths are the same. So this is the longest length. So, I mean, from what I've been saying, I would have made this the hypotenuse, not the adjacent. You know, I'm just working this through, showing how my logic is, my approach to it. So if we did do this, I mean, we're looking. This is question 3, and we're looking for an answer of 10 over. No, we're not. We're looking for looking for an answer that gives us 7 over 2 square root of 2. So let's see if we can get this by having arranged the opposite in the hypotenuse. Really, this question is highlighting the sort of confusion that you might find. So we've got the hypotenuse and adjacent. So that's going to be SOHCAHTOA. So that's going to be cos 45 equals 7 over x. And we need to just go back to our things. I mean, the idea with this table as well, if you can revise it, I mean, you've got 3 times 4, so you've got 12 things to revise. It's not that much. Well, actually, I mean, that's like 2. That's 2 things to revise within one. But if you can revise this, then you don't have to keep looking. Well, in fact, they won't give you this, so you need to revise this. And what do we want? We wanted cos 45, didn't we? Which was square root of 2 over 2. So let's just scroll back. Cos 45, square root of 2 over 2. So we can just replace that. And with that. Okay, so let's just do some rearranging. So we'll cross multiply. And, well, if we cross multiply, so that gives us, we'll do it explicitly. Okay, so that gives us 14. And then that gives us 14 over square root of 2. And then now we want to just rationalize this, and so we take that to the top. So that's 2 times 2 is just 2. That's 14 over 2. But do not forget the fact that we can divide this to give us 7 square root of 2 over 2. And the answer given was 7 over 2 square root of 2. So we can be pretty sure that's correct. And we'll do another question in the next video. They get progressively harder, so keep watching. I mean, what I'm trying to do really, because I've got like 14 different triangles, so I'm just going to try and whiz through these, but identify the kind of the hazards that they're trying to sort of make you think. Okay, so in this instance, the hazard was knowing that that was the hypotenuse, not the adjacent. I made the mistake. I corrected myself. So that's what you've got to keep aggressive. You've got to keep on the ball. I mean, we should all know how to do this, but with all these different things that they throw at you, you've got to keep on the ball. So I'll see you in the next video for another question.